Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing and signing in so files sync across devices. Once done, open the app and grant storage permission so you can access photos and downloads. Make sure autosave is enabled to avoid data loss and choose a template or blank slide to begin. You're taking these steps now to ensure editing is smooth and files update to OneDrive. This prevents version conflicts later. You add slides by tapping the plus and selecting a layout so structure is consistent. Once added, tap text boxes to type, use the toolbar to insert images or shapes, and apply transitions from the Transitions menu to improve flow. Make sure to long press objects for precise placement and pinch to zoom while editing. You do this because mobile touch needs deliberate gestures. Taking small, controlled edits keeps you finish by previewing in slide, show mode, and confirming animations and timings play correctly. Once satisfied, use Share or Export to save as PPTX or PDF and choose OneDrive or local storage for distribution. Make sure to check compatibility when sending to others. If syncing or export fails, force close the app, verify your internet connection, and sign out then back in. This usually clears credential or network hiccups and restores normal saving behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.